ngayon, na,
Ay, sorry. Oh my God. Sorry. Thank you for watching. Oh my God. Naka-live pala ako. Nakalimutan ko. Thank you so much for 17 million here now. Salamat. Thank you, Belly. Hi, Belly. Good morning. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Nakalimutan ko. Naka-live pala ako. Thank you so much. Almusal. Maybe my love will come back some days. Only Thank you for watching everyone here. Hello everyone. God. Maybe my love will come back some days. Thank you for watching. Hello. Larry Galima. Thank you so much. Maybe the love will come back someday. Only high fire department. Freddy. Hello, I can't pronounce your name. Well, fire department. Mine, the fun. Fire department. How are ya? Gary Barboy. Marhay na aga sa imo. Hello, marhay na aga man sa imo. Hi, fire department. Fire department. Where? Hello. Thank you so much. Hanapin mo yung video ko. Okay. Sige po. Salamat sa pagbisita. Taga saan ka po? Fire department. Fire. Fire. Let's on fire. Pangalan ko yan. Okay po. Sige po, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Video. Okay. Na fire, she wants video call you. Dami yung video ko. Okay. No. Na your Granger. Granger. Ha? Yes. Hi, thank you for the likes. 5 million likes. And thank you for watching, everyone. English fire. Pakain naman. Hi, Gigal Coram. Thank you. Sige, kain. Wala akong food. Fully full ah. Wala akong kape lang. Just coffee. You know, Greg, they just stalk you. Stalk me. I don't know. He's not here. Why you stalk me? Again, you don't tell me your life. Why he need to stalk me? I saw kay ganda niya. About that. I'm gonna bring him up on stalking charges. What? Stalking charges? Kay ganda mo. Morning sa'yo. Good morning, Roy. Good morning. Who is calling you? Calling me? Someone calling me? Here? Oh, someone calling me. I don't know. Just number. Oh, just a number. Calling me. I, oh my god, just a number. Come on, calling me. Just a number. I don't know who it is. Just number. Phone number. I don't know. Someone calling me. I got my detective friend to search him. Huh? You have a detective friend? Oh my god. He can even when wow. You have a oh my god. He can even when we block him, we can still watch you. What really? Mickey Mason. Hi Mickey Mason. Mickey Mason, hello. Show me the number. I will call it back. Oh, you call it back. Okay. Why? Maybe just a family. I don't know what's the number is this. Mickey Mason. Hi, Mickey Mason. Hello. Cheryl now. How I show you? Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Oh. Hi, Mickey, my son. Maybe a house and all I can do is open to you. I'm feeling go to a mirror open number. I go to a mirror on the wall. Screenshot it sent to my messenger. God. Maybe my love will come back someday. On the heaven. Oh my God, wait. Wait, guys. Just, I need to... Thank you for watching everyone here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the likes, everyone here. It's, I don't know. I don't know if it's a okay. Oh God. Mickey, why? Don't be jealous. Maybe it was the wrong number. Yeah, maybe. Sometimes wrong number. Sometimes randomly calling. But I don't know if it's, or maybe sometimes the friend, the colleges calling if it's important. Family, relatives, not save the number. Or maybe sometimes the parcel they want to send. Hi. Yep. Come here. Sulat ako ng occurrence. Ako na lang masurat.
Please.
Tama na yan din si Murat sa video. Can you read it? Yung suratan ko na ikaw.
Thank you talaga.
Mas magayon, mas malinig ang sa imo kasi sa ako. Siyempre, scratch ang sa ako. Uy! Parang... mas, di ba malinig ang sa imo? Scratch ang sa ako. Ay. Naghapot pa ako kay Press kung ano ko kaya.
Ilang hapon na kaya.
Kaya. Thank you, Press. I love you na talaga.
Ito, sa ato.
Ansa din ni?
Tinagang baka napot sa Prestate. Ay, baka niya yung dito sa ano.
Ay, para sa din.
Kaya sabi ko, ano, tabak ko.
Ay, ano ni?
200 pesos kita sa Philip Retail, di ba?
Oo. Diri, mao na sa duwa. Mao na sa duwa na business. Mao na niya diyo. Diyo.
2 days yan.
2 days ini, tapos siya sa October 9.
Assembly.
Ay, assembly diha.
Assembly yan.
Kaya diho ha. Ay, sige, naputong ko na lang ini si Press. Kaya diho napot ko na. Okay na.
Ang dami natin pera!
300 lang mo naman.
Mga stipend
Ay,
na.
dako ya.
Anong plan?
Aram na Ay, sinabi ko, anong plan sa ano? Sige, sige. Ganito na. Ganito na. Ihatid ko yun sa inyo dun. Ikaw na lang natin ang Press. Ikaw na lang. Ako na lang masurat. Ikaw na lang maghatag. Bye-bye. Not a wrong number. Not a wrong number. Or I just spoke with him. Not just a wrong number. You call him. You're calling the number. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for 9 people here. Thank you, guys. Maybe my love will come back sometime. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Never come back someday. Only thank you for the likes, po. Thank you so much. Maybe we'll love someday. Someday. Your channel is boring. You don't pay attention. My God. Noise cold today. Masyado naman itong fan. Again. Yeah, again. Thank you for. Hi, can you what are you doing? I wanna run. I want you nanay. I want you run. Boring daw. So, anong gusto mo? What you want? You want me to sing, to dance, to what? Oh my gulay. Thank you so much. 8 million here now. 7 likes. Talk to me. Tell me your name. That's you. I swear you can imagine me. To Somewhere let me down into the Kumusta, Francisa? Hi, Rudy Machado. Thank you. Where are you from? Brazil. Brazil. Welcome to my channel. I'm from Philippines. I'm from the land of the Philippines. Thank you so much. Shout out to you, Rudy Machado from Brazil. Gusto mo bumisita sa Brazil. I want to visit in Brazil, but if I want to visit in Brazil, but maybe need just the problem is the buying ticket. The problem is expensive travel. The problem is The problem is she has a boyfriend. Kunin mo ang passport mo sa Swandain. I have no passport. But it's okay, she will cheat on him. Boyfriend, good to meet with her yet. Did the boyfriend good to meet with yet? Not yet. Not yet met. Drop. Hi, Jason. Gaz Tantar. Hi there, drop in to see hello from Sydney, Australia. Hi, Jason from Sydney, Australia. Thank you for dropping by here. Thank you so much. Sa bawat minuto gusto. May nobyo ka ba? Yes. Yeah. How are you? I'm fine. And you? How about you? Thank you, Jason, for joining here again. Why, Mickey, you going to visit her? The boyfriend better hurry up and go there before someone else does. Hurry up. May dobyo ka ba? Yes. Yes. Opo. Yes. So, if they want hair, they can have hair. Wow. That's not nice. Yes. Red flag. That's a sign of a red flag. I see you through colors shine through. That's an see the color. That's nice. That's not nice. Ngayon ay malungkot ako. Baby, Mickey, you don't know here like.
Tapos nalukat niyo.
You're right, I don't. Ang ganda talaga ng kantang ito ni Cyndi Lauper. I do.
Hindi ano na. Kalat na.
He seems nice though.
Kunti na. Ano mga ni? Madodre si Tanay Pagkugaw. Ipagabot. Ayaw nito sa misyo. Tanong ko siya eh. Kung kami pag-alka. Ginawa siya. Yes. Wala ko kami dito. Sigla na wala ko kami. Rumiro ko na yan na luwas. Ay, tawag. Inano na sa ano to? Makawala na ako. Kapag ganito, okay man siya din. Ako lang ako, nagkabay na no. Pagkagabi,
Three colors, musika, the song, the love. Ah, yeah.
nagkakaon na. Sabi ko na yun, nasarap ka ba? Tuwagan ba daw? Tuwagan na. Tuwagan na. Saan yung pagkain ka? Nagpinit ko ah. Mabalik nga sa bigla. Ngilas ang krema. Kaya ito po ganito ang hindi mapinit sa lang sa solod. Diri. Hindi nga yung sabar. Yun ang mga ulang. Mga manhid. Mga parata naman.
True colors. Oh my God. Oh. I see his true colors.
Everything.
Palagang iwan ko. Babasa ko sa mga mata mo. Got to go now. Everyone have a great day and night. Take care always. Thank you, Mickey, my son. Thank you so much for joining here. Thank you so much. Hope you join next live. Thank you. See you try colors. True colors, true colors, true colors. You see you try colors. Don't be afraid. True colors, true colors, true colors. My God, kasi. True colors, true colors.
Anong gamit sa nakawit ka dito? Ayun kasi na yun. Gamit na nakawit.
Welcome mo. Right, invite. Mudo-mudo ay kung malaking tigos ng Santa.
Ginawa ko lahat pero di sapat ang mga puso ko ay hindi na. Ginawa ko lahat pero di sapat ang puso.
Ito na ako yung ano, ha?
Hi Marcus, hi Kitty. I'm frying up some their bologna and egg. Want to plate? Yeah. Please. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
Tapos mo na nice din.
Thank you for inviting me.
So, Kuya Beb, yung sa top dito kay top 6 na ako. Ito ang top 6.
How are you? I'm fine. I would love to make you a plate. I'm fine. How about you, Marcus? Rolf? Thank you so much. I'm good. Hurry. Hungry. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Hungry.
Hindi na gusto mo yung kaya.
Not yet. Not yet. Eat breakfast.
Ang daddy yun. Hindi ako na.
Angel Boriba. Hi, Angel. I want to. So,
Ay, nakapanolimot ako. Hindi din pala.
I'm good. Watch me well, watch me nay, watch me now, watch me. Bakit kailan puso ay masakit?
Kuya Bebe.
Bago maintindihan. Marcus, thank you, Angel. Tarzan, Arfa, close to being monetized. Uh, not yet, not too close.
Wala ma.
It's, let need a more effort. Need more effort. Baby, my heart is deeper to the tree. I think about people fall in love and mistake. You swear. Mama, mama, yeah. God, thank you so much for joining everyone here. We'd fall in love for sure. Huh? What? Mm. I like your outfit. Oh, thank you. My God, you want? Thank you so much. Ah, pa, pa, pa. Baby, my Thank you for 9 million. Walang dim the light. How was your day? Fine day. It's okay day. Thank you for joining. See you next live. Bye. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the likes. Love you all, guys. Thank you for supporting me, helping me here to reach the goal. Love you all.